Ka Youth Festival Kaba Arsni Lenter ya Kabala Penlong da ka Snaps EM College Mawkyrwat harengkat ka jinga trelang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong kabadai halor ka phang kemen kat ba phidang im te la kam pendo ya ka HIV AIDS hapadeng ka jing ipu ipeng hakabala wan ya bentaru de ki Samla Pule joka Noston College Noston West Khasi Hills District ka Saint Xavier College Umod bat ka Snaps EM College Mawkyrwat Hagate ka Sngi ubara nikton el tongkhar MLA Mawkyrwat ulawan long kumukongsan nang taka kong Latina nong pure Assistant Director Youth MAC u Dr. KK Nosek Principal Snaps EM College uba Ajoy M Lanong Deputy Director MAC Jinghikai ki Samla Pule bat kiwe dai kiri urang pa Haka jingkran jo kongsan ula ai ka jingaro e ka Snaps EM College bakade ka college ka bara pentre kam me ka National Education Policy NEP nomor ba Lyngba kane ka salong ka jingmentoy ki Samla Pule hakane ka than badru ula kan turu ki Samla Pule ba kimdei ban penle no e ya ka e bakila yo Jinghikai hakini ki Arsni Lyngba ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Hakane ka Youth Festival arajar arpulai la yo ru ban penlong ya ki jinga kop quiz competition skit competition badru ka jinga kop marathon ka basan kilometer
Festival, youth festival in these 2 days from yesterday and today as well. Before I forget, I want to extend my big congratulations to all the graduates who have passed out from this college and have taken part yesterday in the graduation day. I want to congratulate to all the young graduates from this college, which is about 236 in numbers, and I am very happy, and it's amazing to me to know the percentage of pass, where it has been told by the principal, 98%, 100% pass. It is amazing, and it sounds impossible, but now we have made it possible. I'm very happy with the performance of the college here in Mawkyrwat, Snaps EM College. Let us be part of the success of this college. As all other colleges in the state of Meghalaya are still debating whether we will go ahead to implement NEP. I'm proud to tell you, I'm proud that a college from rural areas, college from Southwest Khasi Hills, this very Snaps EM College has started implementing NEP from 1st of August. Let us give a big hand for this college, for this college of this college. And I wish Snaps EM College all the best in its endeavor. And we know that we will see more success in this college. We are trying to shift to the permanent campus. A dream project will come up in the permanent campus there in mountain, big land we have. I know everybody when you comes here, you will see it's so congested. It's very difficult to manage such kind of functions. But when we shift from here to the permanent campus, for which we all are involving to bring this dream into reality, to shift this college to the permanent campus, you will see how beautiful is this college. And I am very happy to know, and it's I hope, I believe that the students of Snaps EM College will be proud one day that they are the product of this college. I'm very hopeful to see the activeness of the management presently of this college under the active leadership of our principal and all the staff of this college. We can see the success story. It's happening day by day in this college. I am just joking to principal that I feel like every time, every month you have different kind of function in this college where we celebrate one celebration after another. The reason is that this college is so active and we get so many celebrations.
Our gratitudes to all the teachers. I could see that though they'll have to participate in many other activities, but they try to make their time free so that they'll be in a position to be with all the students throughout this program. So the college, this is not the first time that we organize such kind of events. In the previous years, we have conducted the inter-district college youth festivals, and these type of programs we have conducted, and we do hope that in the near future, many programs will be organized for the benefits of our dear students. Because we want that the students of this area, especially those who are coming from the rural institutions, they should not have any fear in their life. They should come forward. They should build themselves. They should try to compare themselves with other students in the states of Meghalaya. We know that this is the time that every one of us, we will have to compare ourselves with the rest in order to put our life in a better position. So, once again, we welcome you all, our dearest students, and today we are very happy to see that there are some students from the higher secondary school within Mawkyrwat who have come to participate in the quiz competition. I know some of them has become winners, and for those who have not, take this as a step that from now on you should prepare very well and you should come out with flying colors in the coming days.